understanding and compute as well. Okay, so let's proceed to the results on functional literacy. So when we say functional literacy, this is the ability of a person to read, write, compute, and comprehend. So in addition to the basic literacy skills, functional literacy includes higher level of comprehension skills, such as integrating two or more pieces of information and making inferences based on the given information. From the survey results, about 7 out of 10 individuals aged 10 to 64 years are functional literate in Region 6, meaning they can read, write, compute, and comprehend. By region, functional literacy rate was highest in the Cordillera Administrative Region at 81.2%, followed by the National Capital Region. And then we have Region 4A or Calabarzon, and then Region 3 or Central Luzon, and Mimaropa. So those are the top 5 regions. Except for Mimaropa, these regions also belong to the top 5 in terms of basic literacy rate. Note that for Region 6, we rank 6th with highest functional literacy rate of 70.6, only about 0.1 percentage point difference from Mimaropa at 70.7%. Okay, so functional literacy is lowest in Region 9 or Zamboanga Peninsula at 59.3%, followed by Region 8, Eastern Visayas, and then we have Region 13, that is Caraga, and then we have Region 1, the Ilocos region, and finally the Bar. So by province in Region 6, the functional literacy rate was highest in Aklan at 73.9%, closely followed by Antique at 73.8% and Guimaras at 73%. Iloilo province had the lowest functional literacy rate at 68.4%, followed by the city of Iloilo at 70.7% and Capiz at 70.9%. So the top 3 provinces were also the top 3 in terms of basic literacy rate. So again, by sex, similar to the basic literacy rate, females showed a higher functional literacy rate at 74.8% compared to males at 66.6%. For Region 6, okay, let's take a look among age groups. Individuals aged 20 to 24 also recorded the highest functional literacy rate at 78.8%, while those aged 60 and over had the lowest rate at 56.4%. Similar to basic literacy rate, individuals who reached or completed post-baccalaureate recorded the highest functional literacy rate at 93.7%, while those with no grade completed had the lowest rate at 6%. Okay, so this is a graph of the basic functional literacy rates. The orange bars are the basic literacy rates and the blue bars are the functional literacy rates. So the difference between the basic and functional literacy rate represents the percentage of individuals aged 10 to 64 years who are basic literate but with comprehension difficulty. So for 10 to 64 years old, basic literacy rate is 92.8%. That is for all age group, no? while the functional literacy rate is 70.6%, showing a gap of 22.2 percentage points. So this indicates that for every 100 individuals aged 10 to 64 years who can read, write, and compute, about 22 individuals have comprehension difficulty. So the